Think about the last time you bought a new car. Did you remember to update your estate plan? Hi, I'm Annie with Citadel Law Firm in Chandler, Arizona. Let's talk about your vehicle. When most families think about their estate plan, they think about their home, their bank accounts, their retirement savings. Vehicles always make the list. People just forget to update it after they buy a new car. In Arizona, a car titled only in your name can create real headaches for your family if there's no plan in place for it. The good news? For most Citadel clients, there are two straightforward options. If we created a trust for you, many families choose to retitle their vehicle into the trust. It becomes a trust asset. No probate, no delays, no confusion. Just check your estate planning binder for the instructions. One important note: if you still have a loan on the vehicle, you'll need to take care of that first before retitling. If you don't have a trust or if you have a loan on the car, Arizona makes it simple with ADOT Form 96-0561. This is a beneficiary designation for a motor vehicle. You name a person to receive your vehicle when you pass away, and it transfers to them automatically, completely outside of probate. You can find the form at the end of your binder or directly on the ADOT website. And if your vehicle has two names on the title, remember, each person fills out the form separately. Not sure which option applies to your plan. Your estate planning binder was put together specifically for your situation. That's always the best place to start. One more thing: if you have a collectible vehicle, a classic car, an RV, or a specialty vehicle, the planning around those can look a little different. Give us a call and we'll make sure it's handled the right way.